Long story short, will this new Pepe Fork outshine its predecessor Pepe coin? So this is the big narrative right now. There's also a bit of very beefy drama that you guys should know about in this video if you're considering to buy the Pepe Fork, Pork coin, which we're looking at right here on screen. So I mixed emotions based on this because fundamentally, well, not really fundamentally, but technically it's looking bullish. However, from a fundamentals and news perspective, the drama behind the scenes, it makes me feel a bit bearish. But this is crypto, the Wild West, it's all risky. If you're new here, smash the subscribe button. If you watched my last Pepe Fork video from literally yesterday, you would now be up 2x on your money because we called this chart pattern. You can see it's right there on the screen. We called it and I said it was likely to break out, and it did, and it went even further than we expected. So things are looking pretty good. So far, it's only on one centralized exchange, MEXC, despite all the bullishness that we're seeing in the volume, which is a kind of a weird thing. You'd expect more exchanges by now, at least, surely. And we're getting $54.4 million of trade volume. So looking at the coin, I can see that we have got a bullish looking ascending triangle forming here, where it really looks like that pork wants to break through this key resistance of 0.0621, and it could potentially happen, guys. We could really see the breakout occur for this particular coin. It's hard to say exactly at what price level it's going to do it or when it's going to do it, but if we do get that breakout to the upside, we could be eyeing up the next price target for pork, which would offer around a 20% gain on the conservative side. And if you are looking at the more macro bullish side, 53% of gains. So you've got the 1.6 and the 2.6 fib targets there that you could be looking for pork to potentially break out to. So yes, we called it last time. It doesn't mean we'll call it this time. Not financial advice, remember. So getting that bullish continuation, and when we move to the smaller time frames, if we can load up the 5 minute, I don't know why it's not working. We can't load the 5 minute, but I just wanted to show you that we're also forming a bit of a cup and handle formation. So we got rejected at resistance once here on the 31st of January. We did correct already a little bit down to the 0.0428, like a 30% correction, and then we got those buybacks and the interest came in. Now this is where things get a little bit interesting from a drama point of view. Like really, you can't make this up. So if you look over here, Smith has tweeted, quick reminder for the people aping into pork. Paulie takes the most popular thing in crypto, makes it about himself, launches a derivative project using a Ponzi liquidity mechanism to create hype, and every time it dies with a whimper. Example pictures PNDC, the first one, and then the second example is whatever this thing is, which looks a bit messy, right? And then Paulie actually replies to this, I believe, and he says, source, they made it up. I forked, well, he didn't reply directly to that tweet, but I think this is just like a tweet from Paulie in defense of the overall thing. He says, I forked Pepe Coin ETH, rest in peace to the idiots who stay behind with a Pepe team of verifiable scammers and liars. This is why maximalism gets you killed. People rebrand their entire identity around a crypto project run by anons. Game over. And it says here, Pepe has not been forked. A fork is a copy of something. So effectively, this is strange. Think of it however you wish, but yeah, I am keen to see what can happen with this meme coin because it is trending. There's tons of volume, and when you look at things like Bird Eye and you go to the home page, pork is sitting at the top in the trending tokens range. So of course it's going to be something people are looking at. It's up 135%, and it's moved quite a lot over the last day. There is another strong meme coin out there I want to show you guys. It's the Sponge V2 token, and yeah, looking pretty hot as well. The white paper is looking strong. Total staked and bridged $3.3 million. When we look at the DEX tools price for this, the price is coming down a little bit. It did get rejected at 0.0012. We are hoping to see a pump out of this 0.618 fib level, which is a golden region, but of course we could see more downside momentum first before that happens to the 0.00039 level. But what's exciting about this token is that the V2 listing will mean bigger and better exchanges and more centralized exchanges, both tier 1 and tier 2, coming up for the Sponge ecosystem. If you want to research Sponge, the link is always down below for you guys to have a little look at, because it's quite bullish. We might see that massive recovery by the time it does list on more centralized exchanges. If you are new here, please do consider becoming a patron to unlock over 500 signals per month. The Patreon link is down below in the description for you all, and have a little look at it, see which package suits you best. The Crypto Legend will give you over 500 trading signals per month, stealth launches, tutorials, live streams, access to the super VIP chats, and you'll also learn about all the inside news, the big news listings, and everything else that we can get our hands on for you guys before the mass public. So that's another benefit there. And also sign up to MEXC. Enjoy some trading bonuses on my link down below. No KYC exchange, so you can do the crypto stuff the right way, the way we all want to do it, which is anon. Remember guys, this video is not financial advice. If you are bullish on pork, let me know down in the comments, and if you're bearish, also let me know. Thanks for watching this video. Hit that subscribe button. Peace.